Alright, so if you want to use Midjourney but you don't want to pay for it, then you've come to the right place. The first thing you want to do is copy this link in the description of this Discord invite, and then you want to open a private window or incognito window, whatever it's called, in your web browser. And then it should take you to a page that looks like this, and then you can put in whatever username you want here. It must not be that long. Okay. So there we go. Then it's going to ask you to complete a CAPTCHA. So let's see. Now it should take us to the server. And it'll say it's an unclaimed account. So we haven't actually made an account. So just put in a random birthday. Okay, and then it says finish signing up and it wants you to put in an email and password. But actually you can literally just close that and continue. So if you want a private thread, what you can do is click on threads up here, and then you can click create, and then you can click only people you invite can see. So test thread, and then the first thing you have to do is you have to write a message. So it doesn't have to be anything in particular. You can put whatever you want. So then what we do is we add Midjourney so that he can join the thread. Then we can do imagine, select Midjourney, and we can do I don't know, a donkey as a llama. I don't know why, but that's what came to my head. Okay, so click accept terms of service, and there you go. You'll start to generate images. There we go. Isn't that beautiful? That's a donkey as a llama. That's a donkey llama right there. So these are private images, as in other people in the server can't see them unless you explicitly want them to, or you can just put it in the public Midjourney channel here. But to warn you, Midjourney is very strict on not safe for work stuff, and everything that you generate with Midjourney is still sent to like Midjourney's servers and their accounts and stuff. So it's not completely private, but you will be the only eyes seeing it. There just might be robots seeing it too. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, then give it a like, click subscribe, and thanks for watching.